Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So till now you have understand about the static demo, and there are the many topics we have discussed in our Java training, and today we are going to know about the string buffer and string builder. So before going to start, I will tell you this is very important topic whenever you will go for, because this is a little advanced level compared to your string, okay, and you will get familiar with this one, don't worry. And whenever you will go for the live task and all, there they used to use string buffer and string builder, they always used to do it, okay. So you should not get confused that time, so please understand this one, okay. And let's start without passing any time, okay. So this is our first topic, like string buffer and string builder. So what is string buffer and string builder? So let me tell you, this is not a something which is unknown. You know the string. So string buffer and string builder are little advanced than the string, okay. And let's understand how and why we are using string buffer and string builder. This is also important to know. So all these points we are going to discuss here, and we will do practical also, okay. This is not your theory class, this is your interview preparation, and your how you will do your work in your life tasks, okay. So let's start. And very important to related to your interview also, because every time they used to ask string buffer and string builder, okay, because they used to use in most of the project, they used to do it, okay. That's why they used to ask also what is string buffer, string builder, what is the difference between them, why we are using string buffer, string builder, these things, okay. So let's start. So Java provides three classes to represent a sequence of characters. First is string, string buffer, and string builder, okay. So these all are correlated to each other, not same but correlated to each other: string, string buffer, and string builder, okay. And these are the three classes represent a sequence of character, okay. Because already you are familiar with the string we are what is it? It's a combination of the character. It can be one character, 2, 3, 4, means sequence of character, okay. So these all are doing same thing, they provide a sequence of character. Then why we are using string buffer, string builder, why we are not using string only, okay. So let's understand this one. The string class is an immutable class, where string buffer and string builder classes are the mutable. This is the very important point, immutable and mutable. Why this is and why I'm doing like this, I'm showing this one, this presentation here to you, because this is very important to interview also. So don't skip and understand these things, okay. Immutable means the things which cannot be changed, okay. One time you are passing string something in your program, that will not get changed, okay. For any new string you need to define again, okay. So in that cases what will happen, there will be too many strings, and that cannot be changes, okay. These are the immutable. But whenever we are using string buffer and string builder, they are mutable, they can be changed, okay. So what the benefits, okay, because one is cannot be immutable, means cannot be changed, and another is can be changed. So if we can change something in our program, that is very nice to do, okay. So first of all, this is immutable, this is mutable, okay. A string is immutable and string buffer, string builder are mutable, okay. This is one difference between string and string buffer, string builder. Another, since string is immutable in Java, where we do the string manipulation like connection, subtraction, substring, concatenation, substring. I have just shown the concept of the concatenation substring in last videos. If you have not seen that, please watch that, you will get the idea, okay. It generates a new string and discard the older string for the garbage collection, okay. So whenever you are going to do something, some changes or some manipulation with your string, okay, by concatenation or substring, what happening now, these things are going for garbage, means whatever you are not using, these all things are calculating as garbage, and they are just occupy the space also. If your code will going to get occupy the more space, means it's not a good programmer, good programmer sign. If your codes are very lengthy and occupy the more space, it means your code will make your website or your program or your software slow, okay. So try to understand, try to optimize the code. That's why we are, for the optimization only, we are using string buffer and string builder instead of string, okay. It's not like we are not using string, yeah, we are using string, but we are using string buffer and string builder also, okay, to optimize the code out, and just for to make the more spaces also, okay. Like these are the heavy operations and generate a lot of garbage in heap. So Java has provided the string buffer and string builder. And one more thing, that garbage in heap, that a heap memory is a word, okay, in technical word heap memory, and this is your task to just understand about the heap memory. Okay, we will also discuss about, because now I will just start to say, you will get confused. Okay, so Java has the provide the string buffer and string builder. Okay, and why I'm using these some technical words, because whenever you go for the task and there your seniors will discuss about some technical word, you will get hanged also. Oh, what's they're talking, what they're saying, and these things are mostly sometime only college used to discuss these things. Okay, mostly they used to just avoid only. So always just focus on the some technical words also. This will very helpful in your like live projects, and whenever you'll discuss with the client or seniors or manager and something. Okay, so so these are the last like these are the heavy operations and generate a lot of garbage in heap. So Java has provided string buffer and string builder classes that should be used for the string manipulation. Okay, so you understand what we are doing, we are just manipulating our string, okay, using the string buffer and string builder. Okay, string buffer and string builder are mutable object in Java. They provide the, okay, so they are mutable, and we are just using some methods also. These are some important methods. There are a lot of methods, but I have mentioned some important method which we are going to use while manipulating our string using string buffer and string builder. These methods are append, insert, delete, and substring. Okay, and I have discussed also, and in this video I will discuss, I will show in practical also. Okay, method are string manipulation. Next, okay, string builder is more efficient than string buffer. Now till now you just compare string buffer and string builder. Now we are comparing string builder and string buffer. So in string builder is more efficient than string buffer. Okay, so you get some ideas like string builder, if we are using, both are working same, but string builder is giving more efficient, more easy to use and fast also. Okay, compared to string buffer. Now string buffer was introduced in the in Java 1.0. okay, string builder was introduced in Java 1.5. so you can understand here string builder was introduced in the 1.5, so little advanced than the string buffer. Okay, now I think you understand why string builder is more efficient, because string builder is just advanced version of the string buffer. Okay, now you understand the idea about the string buffer, string builder, and string. Okay, now come to the main topic, like what is our everyday task. Everyday our task is to just follow up the code practical way, okay, and get the ideas about the concept. This is I explain because this is a very important topic to your interview. Now come to here. Okay, same thing I have just mentioned here, but it's okay, I just thought it will be there. So in string, how we were defining, okay, like we were passing string, then like we are passing a string type, okay, variable, and then passing some values for this. Otherwise you are passing string1 or equal to new string abc. Okay, in that way, like object form. And in string builder, how we are passing, let's understand. And we were printing in that way, like system.out.println string value str and string value str. In string builder, how we are passing, we will know in this video. Okay, so first of all, let's understand what is the default capacity of this string buffer. Okay, so for default capacity of string buffer, we will code like this: string buffer equal to new string buffer. And to know the capacity of string buffer, we will write our s buffer means string buffer variable name and dot capacity, this word. Okay, this method we will use to know the capacity of our string buffer. And this is the default capacity. We can increase the capacity of our string buffer in that way, like string buffer equal to new string buffer. Okay, that s buffer came from here, string buffer equal to new string buffer, and I have passed some values like 50. Okay, now your capacity, string buffer capacity, has changed. It was something else, and now it's 50. Let me run this one and show you, so you will get more understanding about this one. Save it and then run as Java application. Okay, so see here, what was this, like string. First of all, I just show you, I just compare string buffer and string string builder. So string value abc, starting we were defining in that way, like before this string and string builder, how you are defining. This is the capacity of your default capacity of your string buffer. Okay, 16 I have mentioned here, string buffer dot capacity, and then if you will put the space here, so it will show in more proper way. So just run this one and you will see it here. The capacity of your string, default capacity of your string buffer is 16. And if you will change the value, here I have changed the value from 16 to 50, so this is your default capacity of your string buffer, 50. Now if you want to know the some string value, okay, if I am defining some characters and I want to know the what is the, if it's like a capacity of that string buffer, okay, so how we will calculate that? String buffer equal to new string buffer, same string buffer, I am assigning some new value, like here I have defined the string buffer is 50, here I am passing some character, okay, and I want to know the what is the capacity of this character. So how you will know? I will pass some character here, okay, and then same way s buffer dot capacity, okay, so it will give 29. How it came 29, that is important to know, okay. So let's count this one, 1 2, okay, this is s is 1 2 3 4 5 6, space is 7 8 9 10, okay, 11 12 13, okay, this is 13. And what is the default capacity? 16. So 16 plus 13 is equal to 29. So if they are giving, or you need to calculate the string buffer capacity of any character, how it will do? It will add the default also, plus it will add the total character length of your string, okay. So character length is like it's starting from here 1 to like as much it will go. Now you understand how to calculate the any character capacity, okay, using the string buffer. This is the way. And next come to the point, like string buffer is string, so here I have just printed here the value of whatever I was value, this one was our value string buffer, I have printed it here only, okay. Now what is we are doing next? Come to here, like a string builder. Before this I was just discussing about the string buffer, and now we are discussing the string builder. So string builder will also do in the same way, string builder equal to new string builder, okay, and this is the value. And to print this value, you have to just system.out.println and then string builder. Here I have got the values, okay, string builder, okay. Now next is append case, okay, how we are doing the append. So for appending, what we are doing, like append string after the string builder and string buffer, okay. So how we are doing in string buffer and string builder, both we are appending in the same way. What is the meaning of appending here? Appending in the sense, whatever default value you have, the default value plus whatever new value you are assigning, both will going to add, okay. You know the concatenation, how we are doing the concatenation, we are adding the two different string. Here also we are doing the same thing, but in different way, like old character value, and we are adding some character value with that one, okay, to create a new. So how we are doing? String buffer dot append, and I have passed some values here in that way, so you can just relate it. So string buffer was your old value, and then slash append came here. So you can see here how we are appending the value. Same for the string builder also and string buffer also, okay. And we are initializing with the new value, okay. So how we will initialize any new value? So this is also simple, whatever new value, just neglect that and pass some values in that way, like your string builder equal to new string buffer, and then double quote, okay, double quote, inside double quote, whatever value you will pass, it will assign the new value to it, okay. So you can see it here, string buffer and string builder I have assigned, okay, and this value just pass it here. So whenever you will print it, it will give the new value to you. If we want to insert some new value, so how we will insert the new value? This is also we need to know, okay. So how we want to add the value? This is, okay. So these are our old value, okay. You can see here these are all the old value. String buffer, what is the value? String buffer dot underscore space and buffer. If I want to add the value from a particular location, like if I want to neglect some points and add the value there, so how we will do this one, okay. Let's understand this one. So for this, what we'll do, you can see it here, I have passed some values like s buffer dot insert 3, okay, then comma underscore this is, okay. So you can get it here, I have passed it here, this is written here, okay, and this is how it came. You can see it here, I have add some value like string and buffer is here, and I have inserted the value at the third location. So if you will count str, okay, so str 0 1 2, okay, and 3 came here. After 3, what will happen? It will add the value. So what value will add? Underscore this is. So you can say str underscore this is, and then ing, that is string ing and space buffer came here, okay. So if we want to add the values between the strings, okay, so what we will do, we will just pass the index value, after which index I want to add the value, then index value, and then the character whatever character I want to pass, I will pass it here. Here I am inserting, how I am inserting at the second place. So at the second place it will start to insert the value. So how second place will come, you can count it here, st, okay, 1 2, and then after 1 2, 1 is your s, 2 is your t, okay. Then after this what will happen, your underscore true char will add, so underscore true char will add, and after that ring and then space and builder, okay. So in that way we can insert the value between the string buffer and string builder, okay. So both are going in same way, and both are, but why we are using string buffer? So I have told you that one of them is more efficient compared to another one, and I will show you also how the one is more efficient compared to another one with live task also, okay. With a live project I will just run here this, I will just okay. So just come to the second one. If I want to reverse the value, whatever value we have got, if we want to reverse, so how we can reverse? Like string buffer, okay, then s buffer dot reverse, same value for both s buffer and string builder, like dot reverse. If you will pass, then it will reverse the your latest value. So what was our latest value? This was our latest value for string buffer and string builder. If you will compare this one reverse value, okay, from this to this one, it will, you can find that both are the reverse form, okay. You can see it here red, okay, red, then you will find यहाँ पर liub, then space, okay, and gni, okay, and rrach, and you can compare all the, because it will take lot of time. So I have discussed one last point with you. Let me show you this one again. I have told you here, like string buffer was introduced in Java 1.10, string builder was introduced in Java 1.5, okay. So obviously string builder will be more efficient because this one is advanced. And how is this more efficient? Okay, it work fast also. So let's practical that one also. So here is one small code, okay, and it will take long time to understand, but let me show you, okay. So see here, I have just decided long start time dot system dot current time mails. So and for to check this one, your internet should be on, okay, and it will take the current time stamp, okay, whatever time is going now, it will, from the current time stamp it will compare. Then string buffer sb equal to new string buffer Java. I have passed some character, and that character I am going to print, and I want to know that character how much it will take to print also, okay. For int I equal to 0, I less than equal to, I have passes some here like values, okay, and then I plus plus sp dot append t point, okay, and then I have printed here time taken by the string buffer, okay. System dot append miles is start time, okay, and that value I have passed here for and it will give the, means how much it will take time to print the value. And same for I have did for, but only little changes, like I have changed the method name, okay, that only you have to do also, and you can just take the screenshot also for future and to compare. See here string builder I have passed here, and string buffer I have passed it here, okay. This is the only change, the otherwise code are same. And why we are doing this code? We just want to know how this one is efficient and how it work fast. So simply just run as Java application, okay, and remember your net should be on. So you can see it here, okay, both are taking almost same time. Actually last time it was showing some different time, okay. Let's check it again, okay. See here, it's 3 millisecond, it's 2 millisecond, okay. So string buffer is taking some more time compared to string builder, okay. Now you got the correct you got the correct practical, whatever we thought here, like string builder is more efficient and faster also. So you can see here string builder is more efficient and faster, is to the fast result compared to this one, okay. So that's all for your today topic, and this video is little too long, so it's okay, but this is very important to know. So thank you all, take care, bye bye.